I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already verified the property, so start now by choosing the exact property in Google Search Console. Once selected, confirm whether you want a temporary URL removal or to delete the property record entirely. This affects steps and permanence. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns verification. Next, open the Settings menu on the left. You'll need access to property settings. If you run into permissions issues, stop and request owner access before proceeding. Once done selecting the property, go to the Removals tool under Indexing for temporary URL blocks. Click New Request, enter the path, and submit. If you intend to delete the property record, open Property Settings, click Remove Property, and confirm. This removes the property from your account, but not the site from Google Index. Make sure to follow any verification prompts. The console will show progress and reasons if an action fails, so read those messages carefully. After submitting removal or deletion, verify the action succeeded by checking the removals list and coverage report. These show whether URLs were blocked or still indexed. If you need permanent exclusion, make server-side changes like robots, TXT, or add a noindex meta tag, and then request recrawl. If things go wrong, confirm you have owner permissions and that the correct property was targeted. Then allow up to 90 days for indexing changes to propagate and resubmit removals or fix verification as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.